Hello and welcome to the Bettendorf Public Library Take-Home Workshop. This week we will be doing marbled nail polish vases. Included in your kit will be nail polish, a vase, and a craft stick. What you will provide is some paper towels and a container for water. And this container should be one that you would not use again for things like food prep. So it could be something disposable or something you could use again for craft items only. To begin your take-home workshop, first you'll want to fill your container with water. About, I would say probably about 3 inches of water is what I used. You can do what works for you. You'll have your vase here. You'll get your nail polish, and you're going to want to take off the cap and then pour some nail polish right onto the water. Just like this. Okay. I'm going to tap that back up. I'm going to take my other color of nail polish, and I'm going to pour that one also right into the water like this. Now you can use your craft stick to swirl those around together to mix the colors up a little bit. Then what you'll do is you will start dipping your glass vase into the water. It's kind of up to you how you do it. If you want to cover the entire vase, you can just kind of do it side by side, or one side at a time, kind of roll it around through here. It does get a little tricky. You might get a little nail polish on your fingers when you do that. Okay. The other thing you might want to do, if this is a little too light for you, you might want to set that aside, and you can pour in a little bit more of your nail polish if you want a darker, more intense color. Just pouring a little bit more in here. Carefully pick up my vase again. And I'm just going to dip. And you can probably see the difference here, the double dipped versus the single dipped. And as I'm doing this, I'm trying not to get water in the vase. But if you do, that will just add some color to the inside of your vase. Again, this isn't for food or anything like that. You would use it for flowers or perhaps put a tea light in it. And then when you are satisfied with the nail polish design on your vase, you can just grab your paper towel and set your vase on it to dry. I did let mine dry overnight, and then this morning I had 2 lovely vases all dried and ready to go. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope you enjoyed your take-home workshop activity.